Assalamu alaikum. The Arabic language in terms of detailing is so superb. You hardly find a language which cares so much about detailing like the Arabic language. In the English language, you see the word had, you see the word this, and you also have this. This, the first one, stands for singular form of this demonstrative pronoun, while this stands for the plural form. So I can say this boy, and I will say these boys. However, the Arabic language caters for the both genders, the masculine and the feminine. It also caters for number, like the singular, the dual, and also the plural, which begins from 3 and above. Now, an example of this, the word hadha in the Arabic language means this. So I can simply say hadha waladun, this is a boy, for the male. So hadha here is used for the masculine. If there are 2 boys, I will say hadhani waladani, these are 2 boys. If there are many boys, I will say haulai auladun, these are boys. If they are females, I will not be using hadha, rather I will use hadhi. So I will say hadhihi bintun, this is a girl. Hatani bintani, these are 2 girls. Then I will say haulai banatun, these are girls. This shows that Arabic language is superb in terms of detailing differentiation between the genders and also number. This we have discussed before in our past episodes, link placed above to watch it and understand it better. Today I want to take you to a different angle, and that is for us to discuss about the إسم الإشارة للبعيد, which we call the distal demonstrative pronoun. The ones I've mentioned earlier are called the proximal demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns used for things that are far, that are closer to us. So now, the word in English is that. So I will say that boy, that boy. If there are many, I will say those boys. But the Arabic language also caters for gender in this. So in the Arabic, I will say dhalika waladun, that is a boy. Dhanika waladani, those are 2 boys. So now, the word dhalika means that, just for a male, while tilka means that for a female. So I will say dhalika waladun, and I will say tilka bintun, that is a boy, that is a girl. If there are 2, for the boy, I will say, which is dhalika, dhalika in the dual form becomes dhanika. So that's why I will say dhanika waladani, those are 2 boys. If there are 2 girls, the word tilka will become tanika. Can you see the difference? Dhanika for the boys and tanika. So here we say tanika bintani, those are 2 girls. And if there are many, we use the word ulaika. So now look at the word dhanika and tanika. These words could change to tainika and dhainika. When does this happen? This happens when these words are appearing in the accusative case or in the genitive case. This we have also discussed what we mean by nominative, genitive, and accusative. You can click on the link above to watch the video so you understand it better. For example, if I want to say those are 2 boys, I will say dhanika waladani, those are 2 boys. If I want to say I saw the 2 boys, it will no longer be dhanika. This point it will be ra'aytu dhainikal waladaini, I saw those 2 boys, dhainika. Or I can say salamtu ala dhainikal waladaini, I did salam, that is I greeted those 2 boys. If it is girls, the same thing. It will no longer be tanika, it will be tainika. I will say tanika bintani, those are 2 girls. When it comes to the accusative case, if the word is coming as maf'ulun bihi, object of the sentence, it becomes ra'aytu tainikal bintain, I saw those 2 girls. I greeted them, I will say salamtu ala tainikal bintain, I greeted those 2 girls. Today we want to enlarge the scope and also enhance your understanding of these demonstrative pronouns and how to use them in the dual form. And we are still on our book Durus al-Lughat al-Arabiyya Lighairi Nattaqina Biha. For those of us who have not downloaded their copies, you can do that right away by clicking on the description box. Click the link over there to download your copy so you can always follow us. We are still on lesson 9, and we have here, it says, Ta'ammal al-amthila. Study the following examples. The example of what? Dhanika and Tanika, which I've already told you about. He says, Hadha kitabun. This is a book. On the left hand side, we see Hadhani kitabani. These are two books. Next, we have Hadhihi sayyaratun. Hadhihi is used because the word sayyaratun is a feminine word. So we say Hadhihi sayyaratun. This is a car. Hatani sayyaratani. These are two cars. The word hatani is used. We have what? Dhalika qalamun. That is a pen. When they are two, it becomes dhanika qalamani. We have tilka madrasatun. That is a school. We have tanika mudarrisatun. That is what? A female teacher. Tanika mudarrisatani. Those are two female teachers. You can see how dhanika and tanika are used. Under here we have hadha akhi. This is my brother. Wa dhalika sadiqi, and that is my friend. Hadhani kitabaya. These are my two books. Wa dhalika kitaba zemili, and those two are my partner's books. Hatani al-hafilatani. Those two buses. Tasironi ila al-jami'a, are moving to the university. Watanika, and those two ila al-matori, to the train station. Liman hadhihi dafatir. Do you understand? Liman hadhihi dafatir. Who owns those books? Here li dhaynika. They belongs to dhaynika talibain. They belong to those two students. Because the word li is coming, it becomes dhaynika, not zanika. Next we have launu taynika sayyaratayn jamilun. The color of those two cars are beautiful. You can see taynika, launu taynika, because launu is coming as mudafun and taynika is the mudafun ilayhi. Number 6, we have qala Allahu li Musa ta'ala li Musa alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to Musa that what? Fadhanika. Those two burhanani min rabbik. Those are two proofs from your Lord. Ila fir'auna, to Pharaoh wa mala'i, and his accomplice and his chiefs or hosts. Now you can see number 13 we have here. Da fil faragi fi mayati ismu isharatin munasiba lil ba'id. You are to place in the following blank spaces a demonstrative pronoun, a distal demonstrative pronoun that fits it. Number 1, we have hadha baiti. This is my house. So we say wa dhalika baitu akhi, and that is my brother's house. Number 2, we have hadhani akhawaya. These are my two brothers. Wa dhanika zemilaya, and those two are my partners. Number 3, we have hatani bintaya. These are my two daughters. Hatani watanika binta ukhti, and those two are my sister's daughters. Number 4, we have iftah hadain al-babain. Open these two doors. La taftah, don't open. Number 5, we have ya walad, oh boy, igsil hatayn sayyaratain. Wash those two cars. Do you understand? Wash these two cars. La taksil, don't wash. So you don't need to, you can just say la taksil, don't wash. Now, so this is the end of this topic on how to use the distal demonstrative pronoun for dual, for two. Now we have additional exercises to give you. The first one, it says hati modari al-af'al al-atiya. Bring the present tense of the following verbs. The first one is sahaba. Sahaba means to withdraw. I can say sahabtul amwala min al-banuk aw min al-masarif. I withdraw some wealth from the bank. So sahaba, the present tense will be yashabu. Gommado means I closed. I can say gommadtu aynayhi. I closed my two eyes. So your gommidu is present tense. Kafa, it's enough. Kafa karabuk. So yakfi. Do'a, it is lost. Yadi'u, present tense. Number 15, we have hati jama al asma'il atiya. You have to bring the plural form of the following words. The first one is arikatun. Arikatun means cushion. So aroik is the plural form. Mablag means an amount. So mabalig, amounts. Ajirun means a worker. So ujro. Do you understand? Siwarun means necklace. Aswiratun, necklaces. Hissatun means period in a class. Hissasun means periods. Lastly, we have Hati Mufrad al-Asma'il Atiya. You have to bring the singular form of the following words. The first one is Hunud, which means Indians. So Hindi or Hindun means what? India. Dualun means cities, countries. So Dawlatun means a country. Fawakihu means what? Fruits. Fakihatun means a fruit. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless each and every one of you for being present today. We ask Allah to crown our efforts with knowledge and success. Until we meet again, do not forget to share with your friends, press the like button, press the join button to be part of our membership, and also don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Until we meet again, jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum.